So right here is one of the most common items that we are selling to the UK, which is the vest carrier bag. And the sample I have here is the large size, made with 18 micron. The bag will come on a block like this, so you can tell easy. And what's signature for vest carrier bag in the UK, the emboss. You can see here the emboss will make them very significant. You can feel it very clearly. And this one is made with 100% virgin HDPE. So the bag is very strong. Now I will test the weight capacity of it. So what I have here is 8 kg. You see, the bag is very strong. The handle doesn't break at all. Now I will test the handle sealing. It's very strong, doesn't break. We make the seam very sturdy, so you don't have to worry about the handle breaking. And we have many experience exporting to the UK. We know all the sizes, all the color. You can make it in blue, in white, in purple, whatever you want.